Tahimik!
Okay, pakilala.
Roar!
Good evening, Quiapo, Manila. I am Seika Mitch Fernando in the city of Las Piñas.
My name is Jay-Z Ramos, 33 years old, coming all the way from the Queen City of the South, Cebu City!
My real name is Greta Esconada, 26, Julie all the way from the beautiful place of Las Piñas City. Sai Garcia, San Pablo City, probinsya ng Laguna.
Your transgender mother, Angel Marie Santillan, representing San Ildefonso, Bulacan. Popper, Rivera de la Paz, 25, Marikina City.
My name is Antino R. Glorious, 24, from Las Piñas.
My name is Kimberly Toledo, and I am all the way from the province of Capiz.
My name is Johanna Carla Alcantara Garcia, 19, representing the City of Star, Quezon City.
I am R.C. Valentino, Municipality of Apalit, Province of Pampanga. Thank you so much.
This is Miss Christina Pocashel, Atolibay, Tanagabay at Maglakbay, City Leyte.
This is AJ Albay, 24, from Santa Cruz, Laguna.
Siya, Mia Melvino Sukay, representing the Ilocanos of the Municipality of Amingay, Province of Pangasinan. This is Billy Labitanyado, Tarlac Province.
All the way from Capalogan City, province of Western Samar. This is Waray Illustre Madrigal, 30. Thank you.
All the way from Marawi City.
This is Mateo Calamba Alasimin in real life, Quezon City.
This is Miss Nadie Marie Fernandez, 28, all the way last from the City of Life, Binyan City, province of Laguna.
You can call me Bryce Montilla, 24, all the way from the province of Cavite.
This is Nurse Dan Passes and I am 24. By the way, I'm living at Western Mikuran, Taguig City. I hope you're enjoying the show. Thank you.
This is Kat Rivo, 18 years old, the new face of pageantry. From Baisa, Quezon City!
This is Jessica Garcia, the City of Las Marinas.
Experience to Diwata or from Diwata Pares.
Ganun mo muna yung Ganun mo. Intro ka, be. Intro. Pakilala ka, pakilala.
Tahimik!
Okay, pakilala.
Roar! Ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you here is the freshly and virgin 25 years of age na nagmula sa langit at ibinaba at pinakaingatan ng mga anghel kung bakit sa ngayon ay isang Diyosa. The Venus rare name signifies the goddess of love or the sex of goddess. Now, pwedeng tapikin, pwedeng kausapin, wag lang titikman sapagkat ito ay biyaya ni Bathala.